Snoop Dogg felt his late mother's presence on The Voice. In the Monday, September 30th episode of the singing competition series, Snoop used his One Coach replay button on 61-year-old Gail Bliss, and he said his late mom encouraged him to do it. After Bliss' audition, which got no chair turns, Snoop said, "The spirit of my mother is in me right now. My mother's sister's name was Gail, which was one of my favorite aunties. You couldn't see me but I had my hand like this the whole way," Snoop, 52, said as he hovered his hand over the button. "But they added a piece to the puzzle this year called the Coach's Replay, so if I were to push this button right now you would be on my team," he said. Then, Snoop pushed the red button and caused Bliss, who is the oldest person in the competition yet, to shed tears and start jumping up and down. Snoop gave her a big hug and said, "My mother's spirit is all in you right now. I was going to push but I didn't because I was waiting on Reba McEntire. I knew if Reba pushed I would lose," he said. "She has stage presence and she has a look about herself that looks like she was a damn superstar." When host Carson Daly asked Snoop what his mother spoke to him in that moment, Snoop said, "You need this woman on your team. You need some wisdom." During the season premiere last week, Coach Reba McEntire used her button on contestant Kendall Eugene and it brought Snoop to tears. "I love that song that Kendall was singing. And after the song was over, I felt kind of numb. I knew in my heart I wanted him on my team. I'm so glad, for the very first time we have a Coach replay button. It's the second chance for the coaches when we realized we missed this moment," McEntire said. Snoop's mom, Tate, died in October 2021 at the age of 70 after experiencing undisclosed health issues. After her death, the rapper shared a series of heartfelt tributes dedicated to his mother. "Mama, thank you for having me," he captioned one of the posts featuring the duo smiling side by side. "Thank you God for giving me an angel dove for a mother, sparkling heart, folded hands, medium skin tone, rose heart with ribbon TWMA," he also shared. The Voice airs Mondays on NBC at 8 p.m. Eastern Time, and is available to stream on Peacock the next day.